Alright, so we're on the next job here. This is a kind of a unique one. Got the call last night. Fire marshal had told them they needed to have this repair done. And you'll see why. So let's go in and check it out. Okay, so as you can see, we have a gas-fired water heater here. As we come up, everything looks normal until we get to this point here. This unit was originally on the other side of this wall. It was moved into here, and the vent was never installed. So we're here today to put that in. We're up on the top side here. Gonna just double check, see what this looks like. It looks like it is double walled, so that means this is a B vent. Comes up. Looks like we got plenty of clearances and everything. So as far as this goes, I think this side of things is looking pretty good. We'll go downstairs and get that taken care of. Okay, back down here we have a new plan. Instead of going through the wall and connecting to the old one, because it goes up through the ceiling on the other side of this wall, comes over and then up through the roof, what I'm going to do is disassemble it upstairs above here, and I will connect onto it where it exists up there and bring it over here at an angle like a 45, and then just drop straight down into the tank here. It'll be fewer fittings, much less flow restriction, and it will be a much better venting system. So that is the plan. So I'm going to mark out on the ceiling where this ends up laying out so I can drill up and then get the measurement I need so I can get the B venting that I need to make this happen. Okay, so I measured the flue. We are 13 inches off the back wall here. So I'll come up here, mark 13 inches. Looks like we have a joist right here. Hopefully we will miss that. And then it's 11 inches off of this wall, which is right about here. So I will poke up. I'll just put a hole there for now and lose my bit. Alright, and what I will do is put this up roughly like that and trace this out. Pretty much. And we'll pop up with this. Okay, let's clean this up. That'll fit just like that. And then we'll go fit the upper side. Okay, so we're able to access it from this side because they are renovating that section, which is good. Here is where we just drilled through, which is good. Or actually, we just kind of didn't really drill through it, actually. We have some wires here. Sneak some of this stuff off to the side for now. And what I'm going to have to do to get this column on is end up notching this section out. So anyway, I have it marked here. I'm going to have to bring it across. All right, you ready? You're good. And we can kind of get this so that it's in a spot where we'll be able to hit that one. Take gas piping, bend that out of our way. Why is that installed? Backwards. Interesting. Okay, anyway. Let me make a call. That I can remove. Let me take a look at this on the outside. Let's get up on this roof here. Luckily, it's a pretty mild pitch roof. Let's see what this looks like here. Yep, this was installed wrong. So we'll have to take this pipe out. The boot should be good. We'll just replace this collar here. I might pick up a new one actually. Maybe they'll have a 3-inch cap because this looks like it's for a 4-inch. It's pretty loose on there. Looks pretty loose on there. So we'll take this off. I'll pull this pipe out and the boot should still be good, I think. That shouldn't be an issue. We'll just get this all buttoned up right. Okay. Pull this collar off. Climb up here. Through just like so. Tap this off. All right, that came off good. Go put this up top there. There's one. Here's 2, 3. Okay, so this is the draft hood. It allows a draft to come up underneath here. So that's in place just like so. All right, so I'll take this. Cut it there. Cut it there. All right, Charles, you ready?
Yeah.
Does that look like it's down all the way?
Is it down all the way?
Does it look like it? I mean, it felt like it clicked, so. Do those little clips push in?
This the thing I have to push up?
Yeah, well, you slide that up and then it hits those tabs.
It clips them in.
It pushes them in, yeah.
Should I flip it up?
Well, do those tabs push in all the way?
If I push the thing up?
No, if you just push them in with your thumb.
I think so.
They will push in flush with the pipe.
Almost, yeah.
And so you can probably get that collar up, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like that?
I would imagine so. So, this collar on, pop it up and onto there. Just gotta anchor that in and we should be good down here. All right, so. Did you do this one? This is the first time I've ever been in here. Alright, now that smoke pipe is in. You only want to use fasteners right at the top here. Alright, now we're locked on there. We'll send this down from up top. This collar is actually nice because it's seamless all the way around. There's not a split. And then drop this in just like so. This so the seam is facing away. And that might come off in time. No big deal. So let's go inside and make this up. All right, let's get up there and make these final connections. Sneak up there with some pipe. Got a 2, a 1, and a 3, I guess. That's what it looks like. So, with that, let us climb on over and get this stuff all connected. Okay. So we'll start over here. This comes down here. I'll go longest length first, I guess. Why not? Get that in there. Just like so. Pull the collar up. Just like so. Might actually be able to have this be a little bit less angled. And ooh, this duct is nice and warm. Get this stuff out of my way. I don't want to put too much weight on here. Get that up in there. Pull that collar up, just like so. And we'll go like this. who's not cooperating here. Which one of you? This guy here. Not pushing out for me. I guess it wasn't not cut all the way there. But we'll get it in there, make it work. And put this last little 1-footer in here. And we'll kind of get it so that this is pulled back and snug that in. Put our collar in. Put our collar up. And we'll pull our collar up so that we are snug and in place. B-vent fully installed. Good to go. But as you can see, rather than having it come down, come across, then come across and over and then down, that would have been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 90s versus 2, and they're not even full 90-degree bends. So this layout is a lot better as far as flow resistance goes, and therefore the draft will be better, and carbon monoxide buildup in that room should be kept to a bare minimum, if any at all. So we should be good to go. I just have to seal up on the roof. Alrighty, one last time up. Let's go. I wonder how much more this would have cost if OSHA was across the street or something. All right, let's open this up. All right, just double check that I get it down here. There. Don't really want any top side voids. All right, I can live with that. I think we're good. All right, everybody, so that'll wrap this one up for today. That was, like I said, a pretty interesting job, no? Not every day that you see a gas-fired water heater installed with no vent on it. And rightfully the fire marshal took issue with that. So I'm just glad that they were renovating that space so that we could actually access that attic space and redo the piping truly the correct way to do it. And I think everything ended up working out pretty well in the end, and the job came out pretty good. So with that, if you liked it and you got something out of it, please remember to hit that like button down below. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. I much appreciate any subscribers. All you subscribers out there that have subscribed already, thank you so much for that. As you can see, we're right on Main Street here, so it is a little bit busy, a little bit noisy, but all things aside, I do thank you. While you're down there, please hit that notification bell as well. That would be much appreciated, and it would help you out to let you know when I am putting up new content. Everybody, it is the end of the day. The sun is going down. So far, no emergency calls have come in. Knock on aluminum. I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.